Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is, Sunday's dinner of the day will be takeout tonight. We are trying different Chinese restaurants and seeing their price and how good they are. This is New Moon Restaurant's version of boneless spare rib dinner with pork fried rice. And yes, it does come with a egg roll, all for under $13. This has a good, decent price for a dinner like this. Now, this is what boneless barbecue spare ribs look like. And there's pork fried rice, and it comes with an egg roll, all for under $13. What a great deal. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.